Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Hearts. So today we are preparing pasta salad. This might sound unhealthy to you, but by the end of this video, you will find a healthier version for sure. So let's start with the ingredients. So here I have used 1 cup of whole wheat fusilli pasta, chili flakes, lemon juice, black pepper, oregano. You can even use mixed herbs, salt to taste, olive oil. For veggies, I am using green and yellow zucchini, all the 3 bell peppers, and tomatoes. You can use any veggies of your choice. Also, I am using jalapenos, sliced olives, and shredded cabbage. If you do not like the flavors of these 3, you can skip them. So here, as you can see, I have used whole wheat pasta instead of the white pasta, as these are much healthier than the white pasta. Whole wheat pasta contains nutrients such as iron, fiber, protein, and carbs, which are your carbohydrates, which should also be included in your meals and diets. So this can be a wholesome meal inclusive of all the nutrients. So as you can see, for cooking the pasta, I have added 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil to the boiling water, so that would make your pasta non-sticky. Also, you can store and refrigerate the pasta for 2 to 3 days easily. So for the salad dressing, I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil and will add the seasoning ingredients to it. First I have added salt, oregano. You can also add mixed herbs, or dried basil or dried parsley. We'll add black pepper, lemon juice, and lastly chili flakes. Here we can also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of mustard sauce or any sauce of your choice. Even plain mayonnaise would work perfectly. So in a mixing bowl, we'll start placing the pasta and the veggies. For veggies, you can also use broccolis, mushrooms, and baby corns. For those 3, you just need to saute it for 2 to 3 minutes and then add it. So instead of fusilli pasta, you can go for any other shape of pasta which is available with you. Penne, macaroni, farfalle, even spaghetti would do. Once the pasta and the veggies are assorted in a bowl, we'll take the prepared dressing, give it a good mix, and pour it on the salad. Give it a very good mix so that all the veggies and pasta are nicely coated with the dressing. This can be a very good option when you're craving for something unhealthy or junk food. Healthier option can always be a better choice. And you can add a small portion of cheese as well to fulfill your cravings. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you find it useful, do comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Hearts. See you next time. Till then, take care, stay blessed.